not a fully grown industrial park yet.
Okay.
Yes. However, we have already set up oil press here, in this place here. There's a very active oil pressing machine cooking oil.
Same.
For sunflower, we are doing sunflower.
Why?
Well, we want a grand opening.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Until we manufacture almost 2 trailers full of cooking oil. Then
During
we
the
make a
grand
launch.
opening, that is
Yes.
when people can.
Yes, the grand opening. This construction is part of the grand opening already.
Wow.
Yes. So there's going to be a beautiful stage up there where someone will address the public here
Wow.
on the day
During the grand opening.
it is going to be open. This is purely for sunflower, and at the moment we have 1 set of machines. We expect 2 more sets to be put there.
I'm only curious. I really am impressed.
You see,
Yes,
in
yeah.
economics,
Yes.
we say there should be equitable distribution of development.
Yes.
And development projects usually been going to big towns and causing urban congestion. And demographic explosion usually comes with the social evils. You find a lot of robbery, thieves, all this. And you can think of any bad thing coming out of demographic explosion, that is overcrowding. So, having said that, we also add onto it that in the past, people have been crying for equitable distribution of labor, labor force, just job creation. People have been qualifying and crying for jobs. But if you all apply to Jinja, the industrial town, and to Kampala, and then there is very little chance for people from the rural places, however high degree you have, to compete with the people in the central region.
Very true.
These are people who are well exposed for many and they have connections. But when there's distribution of industries, even in the rural areas, if such young men qualify with their first class, they are also first class in the job creation. You create the job and they take the top cream. And it is easier for them to get job when such industries are well distributed.
Yeah.
So this is one of the reasons.
I asked that because
This is one of the reasons for creating this here. Above all, me coming from here and having developed many places, I've moved all over the world, and I have brought development in many parts of the world, not just in Uganda. So I've deeply thought as an economist to develop my area as well and to give job to my people. That's why I have created a lot of jobs in Moya.
Yeah.
I didn't start here, I started in Moya, got Afoyo,
Yeah.
got Mu. Ordinary electricity in big towns go off and they need standby generators. That the people of Gorapoyo have never seen any blackout in 1 year and 5 months.
wow.
Wow.
And above all, we have given back to the society by empowering them. The money they should have paid to us, we have given it back. That's for this 1 year and 5 months, we have allowed them to use electricity for free.
Wow.
Hence, it has boosted their economy and in their industry. Those who had 1 saloon, they have made 3 saloons. The shopkeepers who had 1 refrigerator, now they have 3. And we have hypermarket developing. Someone from London has decided to invest there because of the reliability of power.
Yeah.
And above all, renewable energy. That's the green power
Yeah.
that doesn't pollute
Environment.
the environment and utilizes things that are aggressive to the environment, like sunflower, rice husk.
Yeah.
So it is high time now to develop this place, which is my birthplace.
Wow.
And so far, we have an applause from the general public,
Yeah.
and they have exploded by filling up this house with sunflower. It shows that they really needed this factory.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Not only sunflower, this house here, we are building to construct maize mill. We are also going to plant rice huller.
Yeah.
Because I've educated people here, they didn't grow rice before. I grew rice in Noya and distributed the seeds for free here. So now they are really producing the best quality of rice, especially the super rice.
Yes, super.
Yeah.
Yes. They have been taken to Lira, to Gulu for milling. But now, when I put
The machine would
the
be
machine here.
so that will reduce costs
Yes.
and labor.
Imagine people who never grew rice before, and I didn't have any office here. So I at Aringa Bridge. Aringa Bridge is where they used to grow vegetables, etc. I said, this is the place you can grow rice.
Yeah.
So I promised them on one Saturday, and the following Saturday I brought them the seeds. And today, when I'm talking to you, they have produced 7 kilometers long of rice and corn.
So by the time this place is going to be up,
It's not going to be
rice
enough.
It's not going to be
It's not going to be enough. So we shall have to expand. We're going to expand and build more factories, consume all this. And our market is big.
Sure.
We are not only going to supply the local people. Our target are the wholesalers, the shopkeepers, the local wholesalers, and then keep
the
them-
urban wholesalers
urban wholesalers. There are many
and other
others.
distributors as well.
Yeah, we have so many districts that are highly developed. Like we have, Lamour district. We have Palabeg now is a district by itself.
Wow.
Palabeg is becoming a district.
Wow.
Although it has not yet been declared, but it is
Yeah.
already coming up. And Palabeg is huge, and the number of traders there are big, and they were the forerunners of trading in Acholi sub-region. The ancient, big, powerful traders used to come from Palabeg. Yes, and Agago.
For me, thank you so much. My question of why, actually, you gave me an overwhelming explanation that I could not even ask the second question because your answer that entered in all the other questions that I wanted to ask. It is very impressive to see what is happening here. Looking at this place now, I would imagine what it would be in the next 5 years. And if everything has been done as you have envisioned, this place can not only be a village but also another town of its own. Yeah. So yeah.
And there are other potentials here in this place. You look at mountain, Lamour.
Yeah. That is the mountain.
That is the mountain, and that is the name of Paloga.
Of Paloga.
Lamour is associated with Paloga, the mountain of Paloga, called Lamour. I don't understand how the district Lamour district headquarters went to Lukung. We started by planting these trees there. The only place where eucalyptus is grown in the whole of this sub-county.
Wow.
So we have tested, it's doing well. And we are now growing more. And then we have tested a banana. You can see the banana growing here. This size of banana in this ash.
And this is just the greatest.
Yes.
This place.
I have this one in our parking yard in Gulu. They grow 3 times my
Your
height. And the taller the banana tree is, the bigger
This
not too bad.
Yes, it is not.
It's not too bad. You see the cashew
Yeah.
trees?
Yes.
There's a local name here.
Full moon.
Full mono, yes.
Yes.
I produce these cashew nuts for the market. Secondly, they will also act as windbreaks.
Yeah.
Above all, it will also be helping to modify the climate. Where you have a lot of trees, you have a lot of rain, without adding anything, very organically growing.
Yeah.
I haven't put any fertilizer. You see how it is doing, even during the hottest sun.
It is okay even during the
This type of hunting is very economical. We will get very good white ants
White
from it.
ant.
And that is, you know, the doctors say it's good for those who have knee problems, for the old age.
Oh.
It will prolong their age.
Wow.
Yeah,
I'll start eating tomorrow.
no, jackfruit.
Yeah.
They say when you eat a lot of jackfruit,
Yeah.
you fight cancer, that hidden cancer.
Oh.
So this is very good for the workers, and we have growers there
Wow.
and many others.
Wow.
So this is the story about this. So the tournament of today
Yeah.
is to help promote this industrial park and to raise awareness to the people of Lamoa, of Acholi, and the neighborhood. This sunflower oil is not only going to help Uganda, even the Sudan and the Congo, because they are the immediate neighbors, and usually they go up to Kampala. Now, if they have here, it will be uneconomical to buy from Kampala.
Yeah.
Very uneconomical to go 400 kilometers. Yet you can do it within 2-5.
From here is 500 kilometers.
From here is 500 kilometers. Yes.
So you have seen Italian buildings lasting for almost 1,000 years.
That's right.
The Colosseum, etc., etc.
Mm.
And the Victoria building in England, and Mediterranean building at Alexandria. Here we are not thinking about many buildings. We are thinking about long-lasting buildings. So this is what we want. When you come next time, I'll take you upstairs to take drinks.
Oh yeah, sure. Sure, definitely.